Good work tips on scarf joint. I like using the scarf joint. It's nice to send 2 pieces of timber and get a strong joint. So once I've cut that, I'll put 2 wedges in and I'll tap them in so it tights against each other. And then I'll put a screw in each end just to finish it and tie it off. Now this is how I do it. The width times 3. So we've got 220 on the width. So we've got 660 long, like a square through. So 9 inch, 27 inches long. Once I've squared that through, I'll find a piece of timber, which is the same size as my wedges, usually a bit of 4x2 offcut, and then I'll put that like so on the edge. Now it's always from the square line in. So square line in, and it's the same the other side, so it always works in. Now you can draw a line either side, but sometimes it gets a little bit confusing. So what I tend to do is just go from the halfway line just over, mark back one side, do the same, but on the other side, like so. And you can go into a little bit of depth and take time to work out exactly where the centre is. As when you measure across halfway and square it, one side always works bigger than the other. But without complicating it, just keep it nice and simple. Measure halfway across, square it across, and then when you've done so, just lay it on top of the other timber. I always pin it with a nail to hold it in place that moves when I'm doing it on my own, and eye it through or put a line through to get those 2 timbers right. And then I just draw around it, scribe it in. And the one side that is usually bigger than the other, I just take 20mm off or so. If I take that 3/4 inch off, that's your wedge. And it keeps it nice and simple. And that's how you do it. Good work.